The next one is shin or oya, oya, which means kind or parent. So we have the first one is shinwa, shinwa. Shinwa here means affinity. So wa here represents harmony. This one is kind. So kind and harmony, which is peace, definitely. It shows affinity in chemistry. What kind of shinwa? You can say later in denshi shinwa ryoku, which means electron affinity. The second one is shinsetsu. Shinsetsu. Shinsetsu means friendly, kind. Your friends are friendly. Your teacher are kind. So shinsetsu. This one is ryoshin. Ryoshin. Ryo means both. Both are kind. Ryoshin. Both. What kind of both? Both male and female, which means parents. Okay, your parents, your mom and dad, both are kind. Ryoshin. This one is wa, okay, which means peace. So we have learned this before. Shinwa, which means affinity. Next one is water with wa, suiwa. Suiwa. This one is hydration. It's the peace with water. So if you put something, for example, if you put a substance and then it can absorb the water, it means that it becomes hydrated. Suiwa. This one is the one I told you before. You got denshi shinwa ryoku. Denshi shinwa ryoku. Denshi means electron. The small part of electricity, denshi, is electron. Shinwa is the affinity. You got peace and peace. You got kind and peace. While ryoku is the chikara. Ryoku is the power. So shinwa ryoku is the power of affinity. And this one is electron, which means electron affinity. Electron affinity means how strong an atom can attract electron. For example, the strongest electron affinity that an atom has is fluorine. The next one is sho, sho, which means clear. Okay, we have learned this before. Kessho, kessho. Ketsu means to bind, while sho is clear. Something that you bind and it becomes clear is a crystal. Kessho. The next one is suisho, suisho, water and clear. But this one is a rock crystal. So for example, if you go to if you learn geology and you learn the types of rocks and minerals, you have rock crystal, suisho. Okay? The next one is quite interesting. Suisho tai. Suisho tai. Suisho tai, you have body kanji here, which means the lens of your eye. The lens of your eye, suisho tai. We will find this vocabulary in biology lesson when you learn eyes, suisho tai. The next kanji is kaku or ko. Kaku or ko. This one means grade. Okay, the grading system, A, B, C, D, and yeah, grade. So the first one is seikaku. Seikaku. Seikaku here means character. Okay, seikaku no se. So a personality of a person. Okay, so for example, if your personality is an angry person, if you're a funny person, that's your personality. That's your seikaku. The next one, in chemistry, we read this as koshi. Koshi. Koshi is the small part of grading. What it means? It refers to a unit cell. So when you learn about crystal, there is a unit cell, which is the smallest unit to count a crystal. If it's a cubic form, or it's a hexagonal form, or octagonal form, and so on. The next one is Kakaku. Kakaku. Kakaku, the first kanji here means price. So Kakaku is the grade of the price, which means price. So if you go to shopping and then you want to ask how much is the price, you can ask Kakaku. Okay, you ask the price.